Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Principal and Vice Principal, all the teachers and all of my friends. First of all, let us thank to Allah who has given us healthiness, so that we all can join together in this moment. Great for assembly. Praise is upon to our Prophet Muhammad and his family, his companions, and his faithful followers who has strived for Allah, religion of Islam. Today we are going to tell a speech about natural disaster in Indonesia.
Disasters in Indonesia happen again and again, such as Mount Merapi eruption, tsunami in Aceh that is claimed to have killed a lot of victims. These disasters happen here. Maybe God wants to test us by taking whatever we love. Disaster is caused by human attitude, when people do not care about the nature, like build housings in catchment area. So, when the rain comes, there is a flood, and when humans do illegal logging, they cut down trees and it causes global warming. Thus disasters are all caused by human.
Maybe Allah is giving lesson to the people in the places, because they only think of themselves and forget to pray to the God. For example, the history of Prophet Nuh alaihi salam. Nuh followers got disaster because their moral are bad. They didn't want to be Nuh followers, but humiliated Nuh. They said that Nuh was a liar, and Nuh's lesson was wrong. And then great flood attacked them. Technology even changed ecosystem in the nature. For example, the use of technology which makes ozone layer thinner because of the improperly waste recycle. And then because this modern technology also makes radiation, which is caused by the user themselves.
To understand disaster, we must introspect ourselves. We must not litter, cut the trees, or burn the woods. We can use the ICT to protect our woods by monitoring and do a quick action whenever the disaster comes. Thank you very much for listening and watching us.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi